Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add and edit backgrounds in GetStencil. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com. Log into GetStencil using a credential and open an existing design or choose a template to start with. On the left sidebar, you can see Photos option. Click on it and this will bring up variety background option including image, color and gradients. To use the background image, you can either browse through GetStencil library of stock image, or you can also upload your own image by clicking on Upload button here. Click on the image to apply it as the background of a design. Once the image is set as background, you can adjust it using the following options. You can resize or reposition the background. You can also apply filters from here. You can adjust the blur, transparency, its brightness and darkness, and you can also use the color overlay feature from here. Preview your design to ensure the background align with the overall style and theme. If needed, tweak the background image or color to achieve the right look. When satisfied with the background, save your design or download it. These steps will help you create visually appealing background on GetStencil. So that is how you can add and edit background in GetStencil. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.